So this is a year end video like of 2025, and I wanted to make a vision board this year. Like I made it last year also, but I did not film it anything. So I thought of documenting it and filming it this year. So I have done already the printouts which I want in the vision board. So only thing left is just I need to just stick it on the vision board. And yeah, so I will tell you all the steps which are required for making a proper vision board. The first thing which is you should reflect on your previous year's vision board first. So you then can understand what are the things which you have achieved so far and what are the things which you haven't achieved that year. So what are the actions which you will take to achieve this year? Suppose for example in 2025 you wanted to lose weight, but somehow you did not lose weight, you did not lose weight. So what are the actions which you will take? So for example, if you want to reduce your weight 5 kilos in a month, so what are the actions which you will take? So number one is eating healthy, you're making healthy drinks for yourself, consuming green tea, black coffee, 10k steps per day. So these are the actions which you will take to accomplish your goal, which is losing 5 kilos in a month. So this is just an example. So for example, let's say something. I will give you one more example, which is suppose for example you want to start freelancing. For example, so what are the actions which you will take for starting a freelance job or freelancing? So what you can do is, first of all, you need to make a portfolio, right? So you will make a portfolio, you will edit that portfolio in designing app like Canva. You can edit, there are various templates which you can use, and you can edit them. So that is the action which you are gonna take. So this is my diary where I will be writing all the goals which I want to achieve in 2026, and what are the actions which I will take, that also I'm going to write. So I have already given you the example. So now the thing which is, I need to just cut all the printouts and stick it on my vision board, and I will probably set it as my laptop wallpaper as well as my phone's wallpaper, so that whenever I see my wallpaper, I get the motivation to accomplish my goals, and look at the end of the year and find myself that I have done these things, I have achieved these things. So this is what a proper vision board sounds like, and this is your guide to make a vision board with me. I know I am filming this very late because the printouts were not done. So it's never too late. You can start anytime, anywhere. If suppose for example you are not making a vision board, but the thing which you can do is you can also journal your thoughts, right? So there are various prompts which are available in ChatGPT. You can search anything like what are the journaling, what are the things which you can journal. You can find out various prompts in Pinterest and ChatGPT also. So you can first journal your thoughts in your diary like this. So what I do was, like, I used to also journal my thoughts every day in 2025. Not every day, I would like to say. I was not consistent as much, but yeah, I was consistent. Like, I used to try myself to be consistent. Yeah. So it is what it is. So now just let's start and make a vision board for 2026. So let's get started. Hello again. So, I made my vision board for 2026 and I won't show it to you all because I feel like there is nothing for real. So, I won't show it, but I have already told you regarding the procedure, how you will make it, and how you will achieve those goals. So, yeah, it is all about it. So let's see how many things will come true in this 2026. And I hope and wish you all a very happy new year with full of love, support, success, growth, and manifestations. Manifesting your dreams, your dream job, your dream goal, your dream house, and everything. Whatever you have dreamt of, I hope you guys achieve this year and you make it a grand success. Okay, so at the end of this year, we will come again and we will again just journal our thoughts and we will see how much our visions have come into reality. So we will do that analysis at the end of this year. So yeah, this was it for my vision board video for the vlog. So yeah, I hope you guys liked it. Please like, comment, share as much as you can. Share it with your friends, family, and everyone who you think can get benefit from this video. And I know I am very late for this video because my printouts were not ready, and actually I traveled a lot this year. And also the thing was like before I was thinking of making this video beforehand, like on 26th or 27th of December, but I was traveling that day because I came from Faridabad to my Haldia home. So I was not in a mood of recording myself and uploading the video on YouTube. But I just wanted to document it and upload it, so I did it. So yeah, I'm truly grateful for each and everything. So I hope you guys like the video. Please do like, comment, share, and follow for more such of videos. Thank you, and I will meet you in my more such upcoming vlogs. Bye bye.